Okay, a short demo of the Fingerprint controller and management system. It's a unit that talks to the internet, in this case using a wired connection, and you can control it using an interface in the browser. And you'll see the browser interface is nicely responsive, adapts to the screen, and if the screen is wide enough, you'll have all the menu items directly here. If it's not wide enough, then you'll have it as a pull down like this. The main screen is a list of the relays that you could control, and you can control them directly either using these buttons. So you can turn the relays on and off by clicking here. The relays are currently just simulated using LEDs. The window over here is using the Chrome Developer Tools and running an emulation of a Nexus 5. So this is what it would look like on a Nexus 5 screen. And the nicer thing about this is that the status of each relay is immediately reflected in all the browsers that are currently connected to the device. Now, if we go into the administration page here, and let's delete all the fingerprints that are currently stored, and start logging some new ones. So you'll see the prints page shows blank. There's no fingerprints currently enrolled. The enrollment process involves three registrations of three individual fingerprints, and the way you enroll a fingerprint is by you giving a name. So let's see, Peter, left, middle, finger, and that one should be able to open the front door relay. So if you start the enrollment process, it will ask you to press the finger, lift it, press it, lift it, press it, and it's done. So that's one print enrolled. Let's enroll another one. Middle, let's say index, and let's say the index finger should open the garage door. And again, we start the enrollment here. Press, lift, press, lift, press, lift, and it's done. So now we should have two prints registered in the list of recognized fingerprints. Let's enroll one more for the last relay here, the pool gate. And let's start the enrollment. So press, lift, press, lift, press, lift. And you'll see that there's now three prints to control the three relays here. If we go back to the relays, let's turn them all off. And in the administration page, you've got to on the device to be able to detect that there's a fingerprint pressed. So let's arm it and start pressing and see what happens. So arm, and we go to the relay, do this. Hopefully it should, yep, it registered the pool gate. And let's try it again. And now the garage door, and another finger here. Now it's the same finger that should did. With the fingerprint, you only turn it on, so you have to turn it off again here manually. And right now, let's turn that one off. So let's go back to the administration and disarm it. So now it won't detect any changes in the relays if you press here. There's still a little bit of work left to be done. It's supposed to log the actual opening and closing. That's not currently implemented, but all the other stuff is. So let's turn them all on. You should see the yellow, red, and green LED coming on there. So that's it.